Grandma, can you believe that Aunt Susie found your cups on eBay?
Wait for her answer.
Grandma and Virgil have been many years without their Whataburger cups. To make up for their actions of her unscrupulous friends, Aunt Susie not only bought the original cups, she also bought cups for all of us. Grandma and Virgil missed out on lots of 5-cent coffee refills because some of their cups were missing. Guess where we are going now? Aunt Susie is taking us to Whataburger to get refills in our cups. She was going to buy us all dinner, but she can't afford it because buying the stolen cups was so expensive. Just kidding. Come here, Luke.
Okay, this is Lyric's
Okay, so now we are going to eat Whataburger on 29th Street and Bell Road. My mom is going to treat us, but before we go, by a show of thumbs up or thumbs down, do you think that my mom has made up for her kleptomaniac friend?
Oh, definitely.
I'm so relieved.
Lyric, it's your turn.
Go.
It's your turn.
Lyric, go grab the sign.
It's your turn.
It's your turn. Let me see.
Go grab your sign.
Say that in.
You was down, right?
Here, how about you tell them the letters? What's that? Look. T.
Oh, that's good.
No, come on. Look
Better
it.
than
They
some
want
of
to
my
hear.
students.
Look.
You can take her back with you.
Look, they want to hear. Which one's it?
What is it, Lyric?
Jane Fonda.
What's this?
What's the next letter?
What's this letter?
Give me a T.
Lyric. What's that?
What's the next one?
T-H. What's that?
G.
No.
Okay.
You've lost her.
Hey,
Now,
Thank you, guys.
there's if you want to wash your cups, we only have a few minutes. They're